हेलो फ्रेंड्स। फूड चेन, फूड वेब, ये सारी चीज़ें और टाइप्स ऑफ फूड चेन तो हमें पता ही है। लेकिन आज हम कनेक्टेंस, कनेक्टेडनेस और वेब्स के बारे में, टाइप्स ऑफ फूड वेब्स के बारे में बात करेंगे। फूड चेन मतलब all the organisms in the ecosystem are arranged in the form eating and being eaten, that is known as food chain. Whereas no food chain can be operated in the isolated form. If these all food chains are interconnected to each other, it is known as a food web. In the form of network, it is known as a food web. So these are the definitions of food chain and food web. Food chain are mainly of grazing and detritus food chain. So we will not move on to that, but we will surely see connectedness web. So now, connectedness is when all the food links are drawn and given equal importance to each and every link. That is known as connectedness web. So this is the connectedness web. You can see here, connectedness web. All the links have been shown with the equal importance. No thick line, nothing. All the straight lines, all are having equal importance. That is connectedness web. Next one is energy web. Here those links which are having most energy are highlighted. So here energy web, you can see here is here energy web. The links which are having more importance, which are energetically rich, are highlighted. That is called as energy web. Third one is functional web. What is the definition of functional web? Functional web, in these ways the line is thickened, which is having, which may or may not describe the energy flow. The line is having equal importance, and the thickened lines are of more importance, but the thickened lines may or may not represent the energy web. The arrow is towards more energy rich species, but it is not related to energy flow. It does not shows the energy flow. And here in energy web, it shows the thickened line shows the energy flow. Next one is we will see how to calculate the connectance. Now, what is connectance? Connectance is relative complexity of a web. What is relative complexity of a web? Web means food web. Here we are talking about food web. एक फूड वेब कितना कॉम्प्लेक्स है, उसकी होने की संभावनाएं, वो होता है कनेक्टेंस। और उसका फॉर्मूला जो है वो है C is equal to actual number of links divided by potential number of links. C is equal to actual number of links divided by potential number of links. So actual number of links we can see in the diagram, and potential number of links we have to calculate. So what is the formula for calculation of potential number of links? Maximum possible links. That means each species can eat other species, but prey cannot eat predator. It means that each species can eat other species, but prey cannot eat predator. Possible maximum number of links are known as potential number of links, and formula is capital N is equal to small n into small n minus 1 divided by 2, where n is equal to number of species in the food web. So we will take an example and solve this. Now, the formula is given as n into n minus 1 upon 2. This is the formula for potential number of links, which we will use in this formula, actual number of links by potential. So we will calculate potential number of links for the energy web, where n is equal to number of species in the food web. So we will see here energy web is represented. Here I have counted in the number of species, these dots, these are 11, that is n. Number of species is n, that is 11. N minus 1 is 10 divided by 2. So 11 into 10 is 110 divided by 2, that will come 110 divided by 2 will be 55. So, and again, actual number of links, as we have said here in this formula, actual number of links I can see here 14 links. That is why I have written here 14. 14 divided by 55. So 11 into 10 is for calculating potential number of links. Um, as well as 14 we have observed actual number of links we have observed. So 14 divided by 55, that is equal to 0.25 is the answer of connectance. So what is the connectance for this energy web? It is 0.25. सो हाउ वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड, फर्स्ट एक्चुअल नंबर ऑफ लिंक्स हमने काउंट कर ली, उसके बाद पोटेंशियल नंबर ऑफ लिंक्स के लिए हमने ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ किया, और एन नंबर ऑफ स्पीशीज़ है उनको काउंट कर लिया, और उससे हमने कैपिटल एन निकाला और वो इस ऊपर वाले फॉर्मूला में पुटअप किया, और हमें कनेक्टेंट्स का आंसर मिल गया. सो इन दिस इज़ अ सिंपल वे. हाँ, इधर हमने एनर्जी वेब का देखा है, इसी तरीके से आप कनेक्टेडनेस वेब के लिए भी कनेक्टेंस का फॉर्मूला यूज़ करके कनेक्टेंस निकाल सकते हैं, फंक्शनल के लिए भी निकाल सकते हैं. तो कमेंट बॉक्स में आप श्योरली कैलकुलेट करके इनका आंसर लिखिए, तो मुझे समझ में आएगा कि आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझा है या नहीं समझा है, या फिर मुझे दोबारा करना है. नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट हमारा है लिंकेज डेंसिटी. लिंकेज डेंसिटी को कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है? नंबर ऑफ लिंक्स पर स्पीशीज इज नोन एज लिंकेज डेंसिटी. हियर एक्चुअल नंबर ऑफ लिंक्स डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्पीशीज, इतना ही हमें करना है. तो ऊपर वाले केस में नंबर ऑफ स्पीशीज हमारे थे 11 और एक्चुअल नंबर ऑफ लिंक्स हमारे थे 14. So 14 divided by 11, the answer will be a linkage density. So linkage density और connectance को calculate करना आज हमने देखा है. अगर आपको समझ में आ गया हो तो like करो. Stay connected for more such videos. Thank you for watching me. Happy learning.